Yo, what's up? It's your boy Austin. I'm trying to get back into this vlog game, but you know, I'm all talk, no action. I said that earlier this year I was gonna vlog. Never happened. Been slacking. But maybe that will change one day. But until then, I'm just gonna randomly shoot stuff, and maybe it'll make it onto YouTube, maybe it won't. Anyways, let's get to it. Oh, look at that, the phone's blocking the sun perfectly. I got all these, I got these wheels, these 19s, and these huge tires, these 19-inch tires to go with them. I got some beside me too, peep it. And I got 2 more wheels in the trunk. I'm getting all new tires mounted on these wheels that I bought a couple weeks ago for the S500. Yeah, I have this 2002 Mercedes S500, and I was gonna fix it up, keep it stock, sell it. It's not selling, so I think I'm gonna keep it, slam it, put it on these wheels, and tin it, maybe throw a sub in it and ride around and mob in it. So I'm excited. I'm actually excited to keep it. It's a V8, 300 horsepower. The thing rips. Runs pretty well, actually. Drinks a lot of gas, but besides that, pretty smooth. Got it for steel. We'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, about to hit up Walmart here. Hopefully they can mount them. Sometimes they give me a hard time about the tire profile on the size of the wheel. Like if you want to stretch your tires, they don't want to do it. So we'll see what they say. Stay tuned. Big shout out to the boys at Walmart here and the girls. Shout out to everybody working in the shops. Wheels and tires are dropped off. Hopefully they get mounted within the next hour or two. We'll see. Yo. Checking back in. Finally got the right size tires, I hope. I'm gonna take them, gonna load them up real quick and get them mounted, and hopefully they fit this time. So let's do it. All right, here we go, round 2. Hopefully I can get all these guys to fit. This guy's getting fixed this sometime soon. I gotta get all these tools out of here first. So I thought I was gonna go to the junkyard yesterday, but it's been raining, and I don't really want to go to the junkyard while it's raining. Right around town, about to get my wheels mounted. Yay! I really hope these wheels fit, but if they don't, that's life, you know, that's life. Just kidding, I'm probably gonna buy coilovers if I have to, but I'm really hoping I can just leave the stock air suspension unplugged and have it fully dumped and leave it at that, but we'll see. All right, so the wheels finally have tires mounted on them. They look good. Got them all strapped in there. So now I'm just gonna unload them all and get to work on the Benz. All right, the wheels are mounted. Let's go. Let's go. 20s, man. Kind of thought they were gonna be too big, but they look all right. I'm really hoping that rear settles a little more. I definitely think it will, but still might end up getting coilovers just so I can dial in the ride height perfectly. It's really wet and muddy out here right now. Excuse the mud on the tire. Hopefully that gap closes down. The front came out really nice. It's like already that fitted. I like it. I threw some 20mm spacers on all the way around as well. I like running a square setup because you know that every corner is the same. You don't have to like worry about keeping track of different specs on each corner of the car or whatever. I'm pretty happy with it overall. I mean, I didn't study it too long. I just kind of sent it. I would like to get it a little bit lower though. I mean, obviously in the back, but all the way around, I think. But yeah, there it is. 2002 Mercedes-Benz S500. Literally stock suspension. Unplug the air pump and just let it drain and let all the air get out of the system, and it basically lowers itself. It's probably terrible for the struts and stuff, but looks kind of cool. She feels pretty good. Of course I'm getting the Airmatic car too low there, but overall, car feels pretty good. Probably needs an alignment. No, definitely needs an alignment. A little bit shaky over 50 sometimes, but new tires feel good. She looks nice from outside. I'm still hoping that back settles a little bit, but overall pretty happy. We're riding on 20s now, boys. Let's go. You guys know what to do. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see in the next one. Hoping to get the 240SX that is back there, back on the ground soon, and E90 is still going strong over here. So it's a full-time job keeping all these old piles running, but hey, that's life. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Peace.